Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever copied data into your spreadsheet and found that it's full of weird hidden spaces? It looks clean at first, but it can mess up your formulas and filters and drive you crazy. Well, don't worry, there's a simple two-part trick to fix this in seconds. So today I'm going to show you how to use the trim function and then the paste values only feature to make the cleanup permanent. Okay? So the first thing we're going to do here, we have a list of names, as you see, and immediately it kind of looks okay, but in some places there are double spaces or odd things like that. So what we are going to do, we're going to come here in B2, so just beside the first name, and we're going to say equals trim, okay? And if you click here, it just says, you know, the helper always explains to you what the formula does, and it says it just removes leading, trailing, and repeated spaces in text. So it's just going to trim and clean up the data for you. Okay, so we're just gonna trim it. Okay, we have to close the helper, trim, A2, and press return. Okay, so you don't really see anything because it's basically just removing spaces, and you kind of don't really see it with the naked eye whenever you have too much data, but it trimmed it for you, and now it's also suggesting autofill. So you say, do you want me to apply this trim everywhere? And if you say yes, you accept it, it's gonna just do the same. Or if you don't accept it, you can still just come here, click on the cell that has your trim formula, come to the bottom right and double click, and that will drag the formula down everywhere. Okay, so all of this data here is trimmed. Now the issue is, I want this data because this is the clean, but if I came here and I deleted my original data, let's select everything deleted, it breaks the formula because the formula is just a reference to the data that was there. If you remove the data, there's nothing there, right? So what we're going to do, I just did the Control-Z here to bring the data back. We have to copy this data here that we just trimmed. Okay, so I just select everything. You select all of the data, Control-C to copy, and then we're gonna come here on A2 on top of the existing text. I'm going to right click, paste special, and we are going to paste values only. That means that we are not pasting the formula, we're just going to paste the values. And paste. All right, now we can just click here on B and delete everything that is on column B. This is the completely clean, trimmed data, and there's no formula anymore, so you can use it.